Well, back at the farm. I was hoping it'd be a little more relaxing, but as you can tell, I am a little sweaty. I absolutely forgot about the humidity and the fact that it was 100 degrees 3 days ago, 4 days ago, and then 28 degrees the day before last, and 35 degrees yesterday, and now about 78 degrees with probably 100% humidity. Oh, I feel like I've been to the Arctic and back, or the subtropics. I'm visiting the subtropics for my vacation. I just cleaned up the one flower bed, and I don't even want to tackle the garden. There's weeds 8 feet tall over there. Let me see if I guess I can't flip it right now. I have another flower bed out front. Oh my, oh, for heaven's sakes, there's 12-foot weeds. No rest for the weary, they say. And the fact that I just drove 12.5 hours straight through and started working immediately upon getting here, I'm a little tired, a little winded, and super tired. I feel like it's a Spindrift commercial. Drink Spindrift, no sugar, all fruit. It's lovely. It's really good with Sicilian lemonade with pure cane sugar. It is the best. Half and half. Other than that, let me get back to work. I've wasted enough of your time. Yeah, so at least the lake is relatively clear. I don't know if you could see it. There we go. That's the lake. It's lovely. And where we come from, I don't think it's only rained, I think, 3 times since December. It was raining pretty much the last 2-3 hours driving in here, so at least it cleared up a little bit for me. Well, you all have a blessed day, and I will be getting back to work. Think of me. Hopefully I don't drop over of heat exhaustion. So you guys have a great day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.